Hey everybody, it's Travis with Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and I'm about to do some craziness right now. It is currently -9 in Apple Valley, Minnesota, and the wind chill temperature, or feels like temperature, is -28. And I have to get some potting soil out of my garage for because I'm gonna start putting some start planting some seeds for my veggies and herbs and all that stuff. Just getting a start, and I'm and adding some soils and stuff to my indoor plants. But I need some potting soil and some soil amendments, and they're in my garage by the big garage door. So I'm gonna go outside and go through the big door to get to everything. And well, I am in flip-flops and gym shorts, and I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to bring you along with me just because I know it's going to be cold. But let's do this. Here we go. Oh my God, this is going to be cold. Oh man, oh yeah, it's really cold. All right. It's actually not too bad, honestly. And my garage is a mess, otherwise I'd go from the inside. But I'm gonna set you down here for a minute. And oh, it's starting to get cold. But there we go. All right. No. We got some biochar. Got a little perlite. Got some chicken poo. And worm castings. We got this one. All right, we got the soil. It's actually not too bad, really. But all right. But anyway, I'm gonna sit out here for a minute. God, is it cold? Wow. No, I gotta go in. It's too cold. But anyway, yeah. Oh, all right. That was pretty cold. But anyway, it's that time of the year where people are starting to think about growing food again and getting their gardens ready. Well, I just want to remind you that there's plenty of time to design and transform your backyard or your property into a regenerative, low maintenance, self-sustaining food forest or edible landscape. And that's what I do. I design landscapes. I don't design gardens. I design ecosystems, okay? Gardens can be part of it, but that's not what this is. It's not a garden. Could be called the Garden of Eden, but perennial food forest is trees, plants, bushes that come back year after year, and they provide a yield, an abundance of food year after year after year. Where a garden is something that you plant every spring. You know, other places around the country, you can get multiple harvests throughout the year because they have warm temperatures all year round. But here in Minnesota, we have a growing season from, depending on when the ground thaws out in the spring, it could be late April, early May to late May. Just depends on how Mother Nature decides it wants to cooperate with everyone who wants to grow food. And then the growing season goes until the ground freezes. You normally harvest around September up to October. And then all the trees go to sleep and take a nap for the winter. They drop their leaves and they hibernate, so to speak, and then they wake up in the spring again. And I actually will plant trees and bushes, all perennials, until the ground freezes. So the last 2 years, we haven't had the ground freeze till after Thanksgiving. So I have worked right up till Thanksgiving, putting trees in the ground and putting a dormant tree in the ground because we already had the frost. So that is usually the best time to plant your perennials. But this is the best time to design your property. So get a hold of me, foodforestdesignminnesota.com, and have a free consultation. You'll talk to me or one of my other professional designers, and we will come up with an amazing design for your property, no matter where it's at. And let's grow food, everybody. That's the way forward. And, you know, you already know the food you're getting at the grocery store is full of chemicals and pesticides and herbicides. It's not healthy for you. The food you grow in your backyard or on your property is grown without poisons, growing with nature, not against nature. Okay, so the food you are eating has all of its nutritional value because you are picking it as you eat it. You're not buying it from a grocery store that the food has been picked a month ago or a month and a half ago, but it still looks good because they spray it with chemicals, all right? Those chemicals are not good for you, obviously, because it stops the food from spoiling and getting bad, okay? But it still loses all its nutritional value. Don't be fooled by that. So the best way to get healthy, nutritious, nutrient-dense food is to grow your own or get a community garden with all your neighbors. If you have an empty space in your neighborhood, everybody get together. I'll design a nice food forest and community garden for the entire neighborhood, and everybody in the neighborhood can give their own input and tend to it. And I don't know, it's the way forward. But anyway, grow food, not laws, my friends. Have an amazing day.